Hello! Welcome to our drawing channel. Today, we will be drawing
Shimmer.
Shimmer from the Shimmer and Shine cartoon.
Don't forget to like and click the notification bell
to stay updated on our new drawing lessons.
Let's get started, Mom.
Sure, let's draw a large head for Shimmer. Like this, draw a big circle. Now, divide the circle with a line like this, because her head is turned to the side. She's not looking straight ahead. She's turned her head to the side. Great job! Now let's start drawing her hairstyle.
One, two.
Great job! Now draw another line like this. It will help us draw her accessories. Now let's draw her big and beautiful eyes.
Yes, she has very lovely eyes.
Draw it like this. Do as I do. Great job! It looks very nice. Now let's draw the lower outline of her eyes. Now, let's draw her cheeks. Here, you've already drawn them. Now, let's draw her tiny nose. And now, let's draw her smile. Well done! Let's draw her teeth and lips. We also need to draw her chin, like this. Follow me. We also need to draw her cheekbones. Let me help you with that. Now we need to finish drawing her lovely eyes. We'll draw her eyelashes like this. And now we'll draw her pupils. Just like this.
Mom, it's so much fun drawing with you.
I'm having fun drawing with you too. Now we need to draw reflections in her eyes. Now, let's draw her eyebrows. Now, right here, let's finish drawing her hairstyle. And let's draw her ear.
There you go.
Great job! Let's continue drawing her hair. We'll draw her necklace with a black marker later. Let's continue drawing her hairstyle. Now, let's draw her body, and we'll finish drawing her hairstyle later. Draw her neck. Now, draw her body like this. It's like a slice of pizza. Now, we'll draw her waist. Now, let's start drawing her clothes. Let's draw her sleeves. And let's draw her belt. Now we can draw her pants. Let's draw patterns on her clothes. Draw her legs. Now, let's draw her shoes with long curled tips. Well done! Now, let's draw her arms. And let's draw her precious accessories. What's left to draw? Her hairstyle. Now, let's take a black marker and outline our drawing. it's time to take an eraser and erase all the unnecessary lines. Well, are we done? Now, let's take markers and color our drawing. In this lesson, we will use a magic marker to add shimmer to her clothes. You'll see how to do it at the end of this video. We've colored her clothes purple. Now, we can transform it into pink. For this, we need this magical white marker. If you didn't succeed in drawing this picture on your first try, watch this video again, and you'll definitely get it.
So, shall we show how our drawing turned out?
Let's do it!